In this video, I will show you how to create a Depop account. This can be done on your phone or on desktop. The steps are the same, except on your phone, first just go and install the app. From there, you can choose if you want to sell now, so sign up as a seller, or whether you want to create a normal account. Now, I would always recommend just creating a normal account first, so click sign up. From there, continue with Google, Apple, or email. Then choose your username and your location and click sign up. From there, you've already created your account. Then if you want to sign up as a seller, you can still click on sell now, and then you would still need to do that same process, but now you just have to enter your photos, description, info, brand, and any other details about your listing. Click continue and gonna list the product. So now you know how to create a Depop account. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.